No. No, you can have my food. No. No, I already gave you. What the heck? I already gave you a couple of croutons. No. No, you cannot have my food. No. No, you cannot have my food. Nope. No, you cannot. Nope. No, you cannot have it. Nope. No. What is wrong with you? You're never like this. Are you starving to death? I doubt it. Aww. Crazy puppy.